let's talk about Bounce Checker. It's an email verification tool that you actually control. So you verify an email list, but where does your data really go? Ever think about that?
Well, that's where Bounce Checker comes in. It's for pros who need accuracy and control.
Okay, so what is email verification? Basically, it checks if an email is real and deliverable.
It's great at spotting things like invalid or risky emails, especially those tricky Gmail accounts. So who's this for? Think marketers, data teams, founders, really anyone with a big list.
But there are lots of services out there. So what makes this one different?
Okay, check this out. Unlike other services, Bounce Checker runs right on your computer. And that's huge, because it means your data is always yours. It never leaves your machine. The whole process is super simple. You just upload your list, verify it, and get your results.
All right, let's switch gears and talk about the business model, which is pretty unique.
First thing you'll notice, no subscriptions, none at all.
And get this, there are no usage limits either. You can verify as many as you need. It's just a one-time purchase. You buy it once and you get lifetime access. Simple.
It really changes how you think about it. You're not renting a service, you're owning the tool.
This whole thing is built around 3 key ideas: privacy, independence, and transparency.
So it kind of leaves you with one simple question. Why rent when you can own?